Next is the payment processing. Payment processing needs certain steps. So for example, after the contractor completes the application for payment, the architect and engineer review the application and certify the payment request if correct. Some architects and engineers request a rough payment to review, and then the final application is prepared with the architect's comments. This procedure usually saves time, avoiding rejection of the application for payment. Most contracts specify how long the owner can take to process the progress payment after receipt of the certified application. So this period is usually 30 days but can vary depending on the specific factors relating to the owner and project financing. This next figure illustrates the progress payment process. So many owners, even public owners, try to expedite progress payments to the contractor. A good relationship between the owner and the contractor can facilitate prompt payment of applications. So this is the chart which can be used for processing the progress payments. Summary. The progress payments are an important part of the contract administration for the contractor. Proper preparation of the information necessary for payment processing can help the contractor financially complete the project. So at the start of the project, the contractor prepares the schedule of values and a cash flow projection. So the schedule of values is a list of the amounts for work activities, which is the basis for progress payments. Preparation of the schedule of values from estimate can include a combination of estimate items, a separation of estimate items, and distribution of markup or indicator, indirect overhead, and profit. The cash flow projection is an estimate of progress payments throughout the project according to the construction schedule. Some construction scheduling software provides cash flow projections. Cash flow projections should accurately estimate progress payments since the owner and contractor make financial arrangements based on the cash flow projection. So most contracts use a standard format for progress payments. So these formats use a detailed sheet to show the completion of each payment item, material stored, amount remaining, and appropriate and proportionate amount of retainage held from each item. So the application and certification for payment includes certification for both the contractor and the architect, a change order summary, and a computation of the current progress payment. So with this topic is completed. So basically in this topic, uh, maybe we can ask some questions such as, for example, what is the retainage, what is the schedule of values, and maybe if we have discussed a little bit about the mobilization cost as well, and what is front loading, is it justified to do the front loading or not, and we also discussed about the cash flow projections, and we also looked at some of the AIA forms for the progress payments.